morning students. I am Dr. C. Andal, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute, and I am going to present the topic thermoelectric effect and its type Seebeck effect. First let us go into see about what is thermoelectric effect. A thermoelectric device creates a voltage when there is a different temperature on each side. Conversely, when a voltage is applied, a temperature difference is created. That means, with the temperature difference, a voltage is produced. Similarly, when the voltage is applied, thermal difference is produced. That effect is called as thermoelectric effect. This can be used to generate electricity, measure temperature or change in temperature of the object. Since the direction of heating and cooling is determined by the polarity of the applied voltage, thermoelectric devices are efficient temperature controller. Now, we are going to see about the types of thermoelectric effect. There are three types of thermoelectric effect: Seebeck effect, Peltier effect and Thomson effect. First, we are going to see about Seebeck effect. It is the conversion of temperature difference directly into electricity. That is, when two dissimilar metals wires are joined together to form a closed circuit, and of the two junctions are maintained at different temperatures, and EMF is generated. This is the figure representation of the Seebeck effect. Consists of two different metals, copper and iron. Both are connected to a galvanometer G and connected to the beaker with hot and cold junction. A deflection in the compass needle was found when connected in a closed loop formed by the two metals joined in two places with a temperature difference between the junctions. This was because the metals responded differently to the temperature difference, creating a current loop and a magnetic field. The voltage created by this effect is of the order of several microvolts per Kelvin difference. Example, copper constant, the voltage V is given by V equal to integral of T1 to T2 SB of T minus SA of T into dt, where SA and SB are thermopowers, that is Seebeck coefficient of the metals. T1 and T2 are the temperature of the two junctions. Seebeck effect are non-linear as a function of temperature and dependent on the conductor's absolute temperature and depend on the conductor's absolute temperature, materials and molecular structure. If Seebeck effect constant for the measured temperature range, the above format can be approximated as V equal to SA minus SB into T2 minus T1. Seebeck effect is used in thermocouple to measure temperature difference. Absolute temperature may be found by setting one end to a known temperature. A metal of unknown composition can be classified by its thermoelectric effect. If a metallic probe of known composition kept at a constant temperature is held in constant with it. Industrial quality control instruments use thermoelectric alloy shorting to identify metal alloys. Thermocouples in series form a thermopile which is used to increase the output voltage, since the voltage induced over each individual couple is small. Thermoelectric generators are used for creating power from heat. Now, we are going to see about the Seebeck coefficient derivation. Seebeck coefficient, it measures the magnitude of one induced thermoelectric voltage in response to a temperature difference across that material. The unit is voltage by Kelvin or microvoltage by Kelvin, also we can use it. An applied temperature difference causes charged carriers in the material to diffuse from hot side to cold side. Mobile charged A carrier migrating to the cold side leaves their opposite charges on the hot side, giving rise to thermoelectric voltage. A semiconductor can be doped with excess electron or electron holes, causing the magnitude of S to be large. The sign of the thermo power determines which charged carriers dominate the electric transport. If the temperature difference T between the two ends of the material is small, then the thermo power can be defined as S equal to minus del V by del T into where del V equal to thermoelectric voltage. Then we can write SAV equal to SB minus SA, which is equal to del VB by del T minus del VA by del T, where S is an important material parameter that determines the efficiency of the thermoelectric material. Arrangement of metals in series: bismuth, nickel, PD, PT, platinum, copper, manganese, mercury, lead, strontium, aurum, Ag, zinc, cadmium, iron, Sb, etc. The more removable are the two metals in the list, greater is the thermo-EM of development. Metals to the left of Eb, it is lead, are thermoelectrically negative, and those to the right are thermoelectrically positive. Thank you.